I love the solar industry. It is constantly changing and evolving for the better. You're able to get tax credits from federal and state. There's low maintenance to you, and it helps our environment for the future of our children. Hi, I'm Sarah Watson, owner of Solar Solution AZ here in Tucson, Arizona. We are a great option for going solar because we've been installing in southern Arizona for over 10 years. We are passionate about helping people save money and make the correct choices about their energy needs. What makes us great is we are a one-stop shop, meaning you can come in, talk to a sales consultant, get all the information that you need. You can also then talk to our finance department and see all the options that they have for you. We also never subcontract out our installs. All of our installs are done by all of our employees. As one of the leading solar companies in Arizona, we only recruit and train the best solar professionals to fit your needs. Here at Solar Solution AZ, we have one of the best warranties in the industry. We have a 25-year comprehensive warranty. Once you are a Solar Solution AZ customer, you are a Solar Solution AZ customer for life, not just after the 25-year warranty. We will always be there to help monitor your system, help provide any questions you may need. If there's an increase or decrease in production, we are able to look at that and see where we can benefit you more. It is actually possible to buy an EV charger without the solar panel system. However, it's just not very cost effective. Solar power will offset the cost of charging an electric vehicle. The best time to plan for an EV charger would be when your solar system is being designed for your home. The most common misconception in solar is, hey, here's my 2,000 square foot house. How many panels do I need? It never works based off the square footage of your home. Each home is individual, each family is individual about how much energy that they consume. I know you've probably heard a lot of scary stories about solar and selling your home. However, with us, you own your solar system. It also adds value to your home. If you sell your home, the 25-year warranty transfers to the new homeowner. The common misconception of solar being too expensive for the average homeowner is simply not true. You're simply taking your utility bill and now paying off your solar loan. And once your solar loan goes away, you are only paying your grid connection fee. Right now is the best time to buy solar. Why? Because the federal tax credit is at 26%. At the end of the year, it will drop to a lower amount. Arizona also provides a $1,000 state tax credit. Call us today at 520-858-0220 or visit our website at www.solarsolutionaz.net.